Hey! In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, you need to access device's settings. Now scroll down and click on Smart Manager. Then you need to select notifications over here and just tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from, like browser. As you can see, all notifications from browser are now off, but you can always turn them back on by choosing the same switcher. If you wish to, you can always go into one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Then enable them the same way. But you can also go back and click on this switcher next to all. This way you will disable notifications from all of your apps. If you wish to enable them, click again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!